Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I want to make a chocolate candy treat. Now, I'm going to make it for Christmas. And, I'm just kind of making it up, to be honest with you. And so we're going to come up with this recipe together. What do you say? I have got a 20-ounce package of almond bark, chocolate almond bark. And I'm going to cut it up and put it in this large bowl here, because that's what we're going to mix everything up in. And I'm thinking I just want something simple. I don't want any complex candy. So I just want to do something simple and easy. A few ingredients that I would imagine most of you already have. And so it'll be easy for you to make. Now I'm going to put this in the microwave, and I'm going to start it out on, I think I'm going to start it on 2 minutes. And we're going to stir it after that 2 minutes. It won't be totally melted, but maybe it'll be on the way. So let me get this melted, and I'm going to tell you what I did after this 2 minutes, and then I'll be right back with you, okay? All right, I've put this in the microwave to begin with for 2 minutes. I took it out and I stirred it, and I put it back in for 1 more minute. Now, if you have any little lumps in it, just keep stirring. The residual heat from this chocolate will melt those lumps. So I'm going to set this aside right here. Now, I want to add some pecans to this. And y'all, I want you to go out and check out the pecan pantry. They reached out to us to see if we would be interested in trying some of their pecans. Yeah, I'm so glad we accepted, because these are delicious. They're like fresh, picked from the tree. They're fresher than any pecan that you're going to buy in the store or any of these big box discount stores. And I mean, they're beautiful. They've got a beautiful color. They're not dark, and they're just gorgeous. Stephanie was here with me yesterday, and she tried some, and she was just amazed at how delicious they were. But if you'll go out to thepecanpantry.com, and if you're interested in buying some, use the discount code Karen5. That's Karen and the number 5. And you'll get a 5% discount. They're family owned, and they're in, I believe, their 4th generation of doing pecans. And, I didn't realize until talking with them that there were so many varieties of pecans in this world. I thought, it's just a pecan, but it's not. But I wish you'd give them a try, at least check them out. And I think you'll be very happy. Now, I've chopped these up. I don't want them pulverized. I want little chunks, little small chunks. And so I'm just going to run my knife through just one more time with my very sharp Rada knife. Y'all go out to the Rada store, and these make wonderful gifts. And check them out. Now, this is right about a cup of pecans that I have chopped, and I'm going to put them right in this chocolate. Let's stir it up and see if we think we might want some more. But we got some other goodies we're going to add in here. Oh, that's going to be perfect right there. Can you see how beautiful that looks already? Oh my goodness. Now, I have some Rice Krispie cereal. And we ate this cereal growing up. But this is an awful big box of cereal for the two of us. I want to use it up. So I am going to use some of this, and I'm going to put it in here. Let's start with a cup. We might use more. Let's see. Kind of level it off. Let's do a little more in the cup. Let's do 2 cups. Set that aside, and we're going to stir this up. Yeah, it's not hard to make candy. It's just get in your kitchen and see what you've got. Open the pantry and look. That's what I did. And I said, I think this is what I want to do. And I think it's coming out beautiful. I also have some marshmallows that I need to use. I love marshmallows. It's not something I typically buy, but I want to use them up. So let's do about the same. Let's do a couple of cups of marshmallows. These are the little mini marshmallows. I think it's just going to add a little, I don't know, add a little more sweetness, a little gooiness to it, don't you think? Let's check that out. See if we might want to add some more. And so, you know, this is just an eyeball thing. If you want to add more, you add more. And by golly, you know what? I think we're going to add a little more. I want a few more of those marshmallows. We're going to add 3 cups. And we got one that tried to run away. They're so soft. And sweet. Aren't they delicious? All right. That is looking beautiful, guys. Looky there. Now, we're going to start scooping this out. Isn't that pretty? Let's get this up here. Get our pan. And I have got just not the smallest, but the medium-sized ice cream scoop. Let me move my knife because I'm done with it. And I want to get some parchment paper and line this pan. We want to get it off, right? Chocolate on my fingers. That's okay, it's just me and Pop gonna be eating it. It doesn't totally cover it, but it'll be all right. Yeah, I learned this trick from another person on YouTube. Wad up your parchment paper, then you lay it down, and it won't try to roll away on you. All right, so let's give this one more stir to make sure you can see what I'm doing. And then we're going to start scooping out. And we're going to let this set up. And then we're going to try it. Okay, let's scoop. Looky there. Can you see what I did? Wow. I think we're going to get a bunch of these. We might have enough that we're going to have to share with the neighbors. But you know, this is going to last. And this is going to be a good treat for Christmas. What do you guys do for Christmas? Now, Christmas Day, we just do appetizer, finger food. So we don't do big meals for Christmas. And the kids like to get out, and if the weather permitting, and get out in the yard and mess with whatever they've got for Christmas. If they've got something they can do with outside. Looky there. Isn't that beautiful? Look at there at those luscious mounds. I'm going to finish these, but I want to show you something else I'm going to do. Let me get this chocolate off my fingers. So I was thinking, while I was scooping those out, we need something else to make them pretty. And I've got these Christmas sprinkles. So I think what we're going to do, if I can get them open here. So I've got these Christmas sprinkles right here. And I just thought it'd be pretty to just sprinkle a few on top. Let's just give them a little extra color. Now looky there. Didn't that make a difference? Can you see that? Okay, so I am going to finish scooping this candy out, and I think I'm going to need another sheet pan. And I'm going to sprinkle them, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what they look like all finished up, okay? And we're going to taste one. Our candy is done. Can y'all see this and how pretty that is? And I got some close-up pictures for you so you can see them a little better. This made 27 candies. And if I'd made them smaller, we could have made a lot more. Let's give it a try. What do you think? Now, I let them sit in the refrigerator for, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes to harden up. And they're amazing. Yeah, and it's so easy. I said, just go to your pantry, open it up and say, I've got this and this, what can I make? And I bet you can make something delicious. That is so good. And I do believe my family is going to enjoy this for Christmas. And to give you an idea, what I like to do, you've got family, friends, you know, neighbors. You want to give them a treat, get you some of these cute little gift bags. And now I bought some of these last year, and this is what I had left over. And I've got these also. And you could get the little tins, little boxes, fill it up with little treats and pass it out. And people really do enjoy it and appreciate it. All right, I'm going to go have one of these, and I'm going to find Pop again and get him one because I think he's going to enjoy it also. But I appreciate you joining me this evening as we made this candy. I think I'm going to call it a Pecan Marshmallow Crispy. How do you think? How does that name sound to you? But it's very good. I've enjoyed making it, and it was so easy. You saw how quick it was to pull together. The hardest part was melting that chocolate and measuring out the ingredients. But I appreciate you joining me. And don't forget, we have our both cookbooks out now. And I would appreciate it if you would go out and check them out. You can find them on KarenJonesFoodAndFamily.com. Now, this is not in either one of these books, but maybe it will go in the next one. But I appreciate you joining me. And if I don't talk to you again, I hope and I wish each and every one of you a very, very blessed and Merry Christmas. I'll see you soon, everybody.